how to increase your download speeds triple times in Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your downloads in Chrome are painfully slow, I've got a quick tip that can triple your download speed. Let's get right into it. Here's how you can turbocharge your download speeds in Chrome. First, open Chrome and in the address bar, type Chrome flags and hit Enter. This opens a secret menu in Chrome where you can tweak experimental settings. In the search bar at the top, type Parallel Downloading. This setting splits your downloads into multiple parts, allowing Chrome to download files much faster. When you see Parallel Downloading, click the drop-down menu next to it and select Enabled. After enabling parallel downloading, you'll see a button at the bottom that says Relaunch. Click it to restart Chrome with the new settings. If this tip worked for you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.